Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your April's third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Now I have a very important news regarding rituals which I would like to share in the end. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Full moon is happening. Energies are very vibrant, very auspicious. This is the perfect time for rituals. So stay tuned. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, this is only a weekly reading. So let's begin. Let's see what's happening in your career first. You've got the Seven of Stairs and the Five of Suns. Okay, I do feel that there was a lot of competition in whatever your own field was. So for example, if you're applying for a job, you had a lot of people or applicants for the same job. You were applying for a promotion. A lot of people were fighting for the same one. If you had a business, there were a lot of people selling the same product or services in the market. This is the time finally when you will win that rivalry, which means you will come out on top, you will find your success, you will find your niche, and you will attract a lot of abundance in your life. I also see not just the money or the promotion or the job is coming your way, but also a lot of name and fame is also coming your way, which means if people didn't know your name earlier, now they will. So this is a very beautiful card to have in your reading. All kinds of success, abundance, money is coming your way and career looks beautiful in the third week. Let's see what's happening in your personal life. You've got the Three of Stars and the Six of Suns. A lot of importance is coming your way here as well, which means even in your personal relationships, you are getting a lot of attention, a lot of love, and people are noticing you. Now, this is also a card of celebrity like status, so it could be that you guys are finally mingling with someone. It could be that you are announcing your relationship to the family members, getting that importance, or to your friends, or finally settling down. If you are single, I do see that you want to settle down, you want to get married, and this is the week where you will be taking that big step, maybe talking about it, or maybe, like I said, talking about your relationship, making it official. So some sort of attention is coming your way with that breaking of news as well, in a good way, of course. I do see that you will, people will be very happy around you, and I do see a lot of people around you. Also, if you guys are already in a relationship situationship, expect marriage, expect that you will be taking the next step in your relationship. So if you had a traveling job or if you had a long distance, if you were staying away from the family, this is the week where you will be going back home or spending a lot of time with your spouse, your children, your family as well. Overall, if I talk about this week, it looks beautiful, whether that's in relation to your career or in relation to your personal life. So do comment and claim the positive vibes of in this reading by saying that I claim this energy, I manifest this energy so that it reaches you faster. And most importantly, do like, share and subscribe my channel if you resonated with this reading or if you think that this is what you want to happen. The subscription button will help you get this reading in advance before that week comes so that if there's anything that you need to prepare for, you are prepared. Lastly, but very important is that full moon is happening, okay, today 13th and tomorrow the energies will be very strong in the air. So if you want to start a ritual, this is the perfect time. If you want to do a ritual, this is the perfect time. Whether you want to manifest any wish or whether you want to remove any blockages, I do rituals as well, so you can contact me. Second is I have started a spiritual counseling session as well. So if you or anyone that you know is going through a tough time in their life, they need to speak to somebody, they need guidance, mentorship, and if required, any remedy also, I will be giving that in those sessions as well. So you can book that as well. Third, apart from that, I have taken out a lot of packages for you guys to make it easier for you. Multiple questions in one package, and the package is also divided as per the area of your choice, which means I have a career package, I have a love package, I have a singles package, like when will they find their partner, what time, where, etc., etc., and a friendship package also where you want to know about your friend or that new person you just met and you want to know if where is this going. So please make the booking on time. You can, apart from that, go for very budgeted reading as well, where the charges start from 170 rupees. That's also available in my personal reading session, where you can choose a question of your choice and ask as many questions as per the option. So yes, go for it. The process is the same. You have to either email me or you have to DM me. Email is given below in the description box and in my bio, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram. It is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I do share all these updates over there on a daily basis. Like what packages are there, what discounts are going on, when is the full moon, when to do the ritual, how to do the ritual, what not to do, all these updates that will really help you. Okay, so follow me there and like, share, subscribe my channel. Do share it with the people you think need help, need counseling, and I'll be happy to help. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.